topic is about mung beans and how we may consume them. I chose to do this topic as mung beans provide a great number of health benefits, whole or sprouted. As the Tamil saying goes, Unave Marandu, which means your nutrition is your medicine. And I believe that mung beans are one of the best plant-based sources of protein, high in nutrients and antioxidants. The high antioxidant levels in mung beans helps reduce risk of chronic diseases. Mung beans also possess several properties that keep blood sugar levels low. In fact, mung beans promote weight loss by lowering the hunger hormones and raising the fullness hormones. The high fiber and protein in mung beans helps slow the release of sugar into the bloodstream and helps insulin work better. This curbs appetite and slows down calorie intake, which aids in weight loss. Mung beans have been cultivated since ancient times and is a native of India, but eventually spread to various parts of Southeast Asia. Mung beans are actually little green beans that are yellow on the inside, also known as green gram. They have a tender texture and a sweet flavor. Mung beans are packed with important vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber. They are often sold as dried beans, split with skins removed, or simply as sprouts. They are used for both sweet and savory dishes. Mung beans can also be enjoyed sprouted. The sprouted beans are best enjoyed in stir-fry meals and soups. Today I'm going to share with you how I cultivated my own mung bean sprouts at home for the first time and what I discovered creating my own kitchen garden. To sprout mung beans, all we need to do is create a damp, hot and dark environment for the beans to germinate. All we need is a strainer, in my case a steamer tray, as it allows excess water to be drained off. A cotton bag or cloth to keep the mung beans damp always. A large plastic container with lid to hold the mung beans and strainer inside. First, I spread 2 tablespoons of dry mung beans evenly inside the bag. Poured water and allowed the mung beans and bag to soak up. The next step was to put all this inside the container, sprinkle with more water and close the lid. Any excess water is drained off into the container. After 12 hours, the mung beans will show signs of sprouting, that is, become double in size, and some beans will have cracked their seed coats. The best time to harvest the mung beans is after 3 to 4 days. At this stage, the mung beans have sufficiently elongated stems and shorter roots. However, Leaving it longer will encourage wilting of stems and root rot. Moreover, the sprouts become more fibrous as the roots get well developed. Mung bean sprouts can be easily harvested from the bag by snipping them off at their roots. Using this method to sprout mung beans, what I discovered was, first, by tossing the sprouts several times, the seed coats fall off easily to the bottom of the bag. Second, leaving the mung beans to sprout for more than 4 days is not a good idea as the stems and roots are not so tender. The cleaned mung beans can now be added to soups or stir fries. Interestingly, sprouting mung beans changes their nutritional composition. Sprouted mung beans contain fewer calories. They also have a more impressive antioxidant profile. They are said to have 6 times more antioxidants than regular mung beans. Sprouting also reduces levels of phytic acid, which enhances the absorption of minerals like zinc, magnesium, and calcium. Whole mung beans are very versatile and delicious. They can be easily added into our diet, steamed or boiled. Here is a quick recipe to make whole mung beans stir fry. First, we have to soak the mung beans. Overnight is recommended. This recipe is a long-standing family favorite of mine. It's a savory dish and super tasty. Wash and drain the mung beans. Steam the mung beans for 20 minutes or until cooked through. Here I am going to use it for making my mung bean varuval, which is actually mung beans stir-fried with grated coconut and dried chilies. Eating mung beans is a healthy option, especially for vegans. Mung beans are rich in essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those protein compounds that our body is unable to produce on its own. On a heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. In the hot oil, add the mixed spices. This mixture of spices is actually a pinch each of the spice, mustard, cumin, fennel, fenugreek, and also split and skin removed urad dal. This mixture of spices is a standard basic for tempering for Indian curries and chutneys. It gives a wonderful aroma and flavor to the dishes. When the mustard seeds start to crackle and pop, add the dried red chilies, then the onions. At this stage, add the salt to brown the onions faster. Test tube studies have found that antioxidants from mung beans can neutralize free radical damage linked to cancer growth in lung and stomach cells. Most research on the disease-fighting ability of mung bean antioxidants is from test tube studies. However, more human-based research is needed before recommendations can be given. When the onions are browned and looking good, we can add the curry leaves. When doing this tempering, be warned, my friends, the whole house and even the street gets the aroma of your cooking. Next, add 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Finally, add the steamed whole mung beans and give it a good stir. Fry for another 3 minutes. Add a few tablespoons of water if the ingredients are sticking to the pan. Mung beans contain soluble fiber and resistant starch, which can promote digestive health. Good news is that The carbs in mung beans are also less likely to cause flatulence than those of other legumes. Whole mung bean stir fry is now ready. Ta-da! Enjoying my mung bean sprout vurwal. Very tasty. The coconut, the spices gives it a very special flavor. Mmm, so delicious. Take good food and enjoy your food. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching. Unave Marandu.